Hi everyone, Abhimanyu Syal this side from TNT Realty. So first of all, before I start this video, I would like to thank you all for showing your support and love over the last few videos. So today we are covering up BPTP pedestal floors, which is again a floor development which is ready to move in, a power backup society which is a gated community living, and already around 3,000 plus families are staying in this vicinity. This is BPTP Estaire Gardens. The township is of 102 acres, which compromises of not just the floors, but you have plots which are coming up and also the villas which are ready to move in. So talking about the location of BPTP Estaire Gardens, which is very well connected to main NH8, Golf Course Extension Road and Sona Road. So we are at the D block of pedestal floors. अगर मैं बात करूँ इस D block की, so इसमें 2 and 3 bedroom के floors हैं. Total number of floors is around 100, and yes, around 15 plus families are already staying here. So the plot sizes of 3 bedroom is 254 square yard, and for 2 bedroom it is 182 square yard, and it is stilt plus 3. So the second floor gets the terrace rights. This is your stilt area, and stilt में आपको मिलते हैं 2 car parks for a 3 bedroom फ्लोर एंड 2 बेडरूम के साथ आपको 1 कार पार्क ईच मिलता है. स्टिल्ट में आपका यू हैव 1 यूटिलिटी रूम ऑल्सो विद फॉर ईच एंड एवरी फ्लोर, एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इन दिस पेडेस्टल फ्लोर इज द सेटबैक व्हाट दे हैव यूज्ड इट फॉर योर इवनिंग वॉक्स और यू कैन से मॉर्निंग वॉक्स एंड इवन फॉर चिल्ड्रन. एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे इन्होंने स्लाइड्स लगाई हैं एंड दे हैव डेवलप्ड अ वेरी गुड ग्रीन एरिया सो दैट यू कैन वॉक इन अर्ली मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग once you are back from the office or before you leave to the office. So now we are at the sample floor, and not just the staircase but yes, यहाँ पे lift provision भी है. आपको एक लिफ्ट मिलती है which is provided by Otis company, which is a very good company, and staircase भी काफ़ी broad है which gives you a grand entrance to your house. This is the sample floor of a 3 bedroom plus utility जो कि 254 square yard plot size पे बना है, and ये 3 bedroom with 3 washrooms and with 3 balconies है. So the inclusions in this floor that what you will get, starting from the imported marble in the flooring, you will get imported marble in living and dining room, and the rooms are done up with wooden फ्लोरिंग. मास्टर बेडरूम की डिफरेंट फ्लोरिंग है जस्ट सो दैट वो एक मास्टर बेडरूम है उसको थोड़ा डिफरेंट रखने के लिए, एंड एयर कंडीशन इज ऑल स्प्लिट एसीज 1.5 टन ईच. 5 एसीज आपको मिलते हैं 3 बेडरूम के फ्लोर में. बेडरूम 3 जो है, जो कि मास्टर बेडरूम है, उसका साइज आपका है 14 by 13.5 विच इज बिगेस्ट ऑफ ऑल, और बेडरूम 1 एंड बेडरूम 2 का जो साइज है वो 12.6 by 12 फीट है. So I'm in the kitchen right now, and kitchen is connected to your living and dining, and again जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि imported marble की flooring है इसमें, and size of the kitchen approximately is 8 by 11 feet, and the kitchen is well connected to the utility balcony which you can use for the washing area purpose, or you can keep your stuff also at the back. So now we are at the terrace, and just to give you an idea कि आप terrace को कैसे utilize कर सकते हैं, I would like to show you कि कैसे आप टेरेस को बना सकते हैं so that it gives you a good feel. And yes, second floor only gets the terrace and with an additional cost of 8 lakh rupees. So upper ground and first floor को अगर मैं बात करूँ तो you don't get the terrace rights, only the second floor gets the terrace rights. So this was the virtual walkthrough of BPTP pedestal floors in Sector 70A. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe our channel, which is by the name of TNT Realty. Also stay tuned for our upcoming video for Visionaire Villas, which are in Sector 70A and in the integrated township of BPTP. Thank you.